Welcome. My name is Ricardo van Maan and I'm the Key Account Manager for FLENDER Digital Business. I'm delighted that you're interested in the IQ Core. The IQ Core transforms your gear unit into an intelligent component. The integrated sensors measure vibration, speed, and oil temperature. With the IQ Core, you can keep an eye on your gearbox 24/7. The collected data is analyzed directly on the device, using our own analysis software with intelligent algorithms. Even smallest issues can be identified directly and analyzed to find their root causes. This saves time and faults can be rectified immediately before any major damage occurs. For you, this means highest level of planning security for both production and maintenance. Furthermore, you will benefit from needs-based service intervals based on measurement data and by this, reduced downtimes. To take advantage of these benefits, we will guide you through the necessary steps. This is easy and just takes a few minutes. To start, you will need a smartphone running on iOS or Android. Please install the IQ app on your device. When standing next to the gear unit, open the app and start the step-by-step commissioning process. In the first step, supply the IQ Core with power. Please use the connection cable provided for this purpose. As soon as the sensor is supplied with power, the power LED will light up. The device is now ready for use. In the next step, please connect the IQ Core with your smartphone via Bluetooth. The Bluetooth pairing mode will be active directly after powering up the device. This will be indicated by LEDs on top of the device flashing clockwise. If you have activated the Bluetooth functionality of your smartphone, your gearbox will be detected by the app automatically. Please select your gearbox now. A successful connection will be identified when the LED labeled Link starts to flash. If your gearbox is not displayed, please check the Bluetooth settings of your smartphone. If it's enabled, please disconnect the power supply of the IQ Core briefly and try again. Are you connected? Great. From now on, you can check the gear unit condition straight from your smartphone. If you want to access your gear unit's conditions or measurement data from anywhere, simply log in to our IQ portal. Further in-depth or long-term evaluations can be accessed or downloaded. To use the portal, it's recommended to connect the IQ Core with a Wi-Fi network close by. Further information can be found in the IQ app. Thank you for your kind attention. Get your drive on point with IQ Core, with more efficiency, sustainability, and availability. I wish you successful operation with your IQ Core.